4G changes life, while 5G changes society. 5G features such as high rate, low latency, and a massive connectivity will dramatically change a wide array of industries. What sparks will 5G bring to healthcare? First, let's analyze the status of the healthcare industry and the requirements of digital healthcare. Medical resources are seriously lacking and unevenly distributed, which is an imminent problem in the healthcare industry. The average number of physicians per 1,000 people is 4 in cities and 1.7 in rural areas. In some big cities, hours of queuing for minutes with a doctor is commonplace. Therefore, telemedicine is particularly important. In the future, no matter where the patient is, a mobile phone or computer is enough to select a doctor available for remote treatment. Second, hospital professionals are facing massive repetitive work. A survey of hospital X-ray shows that 38.91% of doctors cannot read X-ray images. In other words, patients need to wait to consult X-ray experts about the results, which takes a lot of time. How can we save patients time in this situation? The current AI technology is mature enough in image recognition. So in the future, AI can help examine X-ray images. After a patient takes an X-ray photo, the diagnosis result is displayed in real time, saving patients time while improving the efficiency of doctors. Another important issue is the high mortality rate in emergency treatment. Let's look at two sets of data first. According to survey, 544,000 people died from sudden cardiac death in China each year. With more than 1,000 deaths per day, most of the deaths are within 1 hour of sudden cardiac arrest. The first hour is also called the golden hour of rescue because effective treatment during this period can significantly lower the mortality rate. According to another survey, the mortality rate of emergency patients in China is 0.07%. 1/3 of these deaths happen in transit. Generally, the golden hour treatment is given in the ambulance. However, as a means for transferring patients, most ambulances lack professional first aid equipment or personnel. Currently, Huawei is working with hospitals and operators to provide remote first aid on ambulances. These statistics show that digital healthcare in the future is developing towards remote, mobile, and intelligent. To achieve these goals, a network for transmitting medical data is critical. Currently, the candidate networks include wired Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. Which one should we choose? Let's see the answer. We mentioned earlier the goals of digital healthcare. Now let's break down these goals and see the key indicator requirements of each goal for the network. In this way, we can select the optimal network for digital healthcare. Remote operation requires high network transmission rate and low latency. Mobility requires networks to support access of numerous terminals anytime, anywhere. AI technologies such as image recognition require high network security in addition to high transmission rate and low latency. Therefore, of the candidates, the wired network with a low mobility support rate is eliminated first. Among 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, 5G is the most powerful in terms of rate, latency, and connection capability. Therefore, Wi-Fi and 5G stand out. But the Wi-Fi network is prone to interference because it uses unauthorized spectrums. The 5G network is capable of network slicing, therefore 5G has higher overall security than Wi-Fi. In conclusion, the best partner of digital healthcare is 5G. What is a 5G digital healthcare solution? Let's move on to the next part. The overall solution has 3 layers. The bottom layer is medical devices for data collection, including video collectors, sensors, and a medical instrument and equipment, and medical bracelets. The middle layer is the medical ICT infrastructure, which consists of 5G medical network slices, data centers, computing nodes, and storage nodes. The 5G network ensures data transmission between the device layer and other nodes. The top layer is healthcare applications, including remote registration, EMR, robotic ultrasound diagnosis, HD survey, live broadcast, VR surgery demonstration, AR surgery guidance, remote video visit, logistics robot, in-hospital navigation, property and personnel management, medical waste management, and asset location management. In general, 5G has many advantages as the digital infrastructure for healthcare, such as high-quality indoor and outdoor wireless coverage, MEC-enabled medical data local breakout, and service isolation using 5G network slicing. In addition, when a hospital rents a 5G network from an operator, the operator also deploys and maintains the network, thereby reducing the cost for the hospital. Last but not least, let's look at the application case of 5G healthcare, the 5G emergency rescue system, hospital on board. The 5G emergency rescue system is based on 5G ambulances with assistance of AI, AR, VR, and drones. This medical emergency system provides hospital-like treatment to patients in ambulances. Ambulances communicate with hospital's command center over the 5G network anytime, anywhere. Each ambulance is equipped with an HD screen, a blood gas meter, 5G access modules, panoramic cameras, an ultrasonic machine, AR glasses, a blood analyzer, and ECG machine. After a patient gets on a 5G ambulance, first aid doctors can use 5G medical equipment to complete a series of examinations, such as blood test, electrocardiogram, and a B ultrasound. The 5G network transmits the patient's medical data, such as images, signs, and the medical records, to the hospital's first aid command center in real time. Before the patient arrives at hospital, the command center has obtained the patient's basic information and vital sign data, as well as the ambulance track. This ensures seamless cooperation in and out of the hospital. By moving part of the hospital emergency center functions to ambulances, doctors can quickly make a rescue plan and prepare for surgery in advance, greatly shortening first aid response time and improving the survival probability of patient. Now let's have a quick summary. First, we have analyzed the main services and requirements of the healthcare industry. Then we introduced the network selection of digital healthcare and the 5G digital healthcare solution. Last, we introduced the 5G emergency rescue system, a system that provides hospital-like treatment to patients in ambulances. That's all for this course. Thank you for watching.